Hi, my name is Adam. Last year I was started as a placement student with Greece Guardian here at FME. I'm studying energy at Ulster and I've come here for some work experience for last year and now I've been offered a full-time role. Key part of my course is biofuels, and with the waste oil taken from Greece Guardians, I did a lot more research into sort of where we could use these oils and sort of studying what sort of contents needed for certain fuel types, from aviation fuels to car fuels and to home heating oils. Well, I've managed to work across many different areas, thankfully, which has been quite an enjoyable part of the role. From doing dispatching the logistics side, to sort of looking at our stock systems and operating that, and of course, looking at the waste oil side of the business and trying to work out what sort of biofuel initiatives we can pursue in the future. I'd say the thing I enjoyed most was sort of how different each week could be. You'd think it'd be quite similar each week, but when shipping stuff to Australia, to America, you don't know what you're really going to run into each week. Makes it a bit more challenging, but I sort of enjoy that bit. My career has definitely evolved from this, and I sort of have a guideline of where I want to go in the future with wastewater. It's been a really good placement, and I'm sort of looking forward to seeing where my career can go on from here.